Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. If you guys are just tuning into this channel for the first time, I'm Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, your Las Vegas realtor. So today, I am here in this gated community located in central Las Vegas, less than a half a block from the famous Las Vegas Strip. So we are here in a gated community with a pool. Total of about 132 homes. As you can see, we have the roof guy above here, or the roof company, adjusting the tiles here. This is a single-story home. It is 1,251 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and a single-car garage. You may wonder, why is this home starting off at, the asking price is $349,900, which brings you to $280 a square foot. Reason why is because of the location. You're literally minutes from the Strip, right next to the mall, right next to the car rental. So here's the entry foyer here, guys. You can see we have a room on the right side and also on the left side. Down this hallway takes you down to the living room, but let's start off with this room first. So this room would be the secondary room. And this room right here is 12 by 12, it says. Two-tone paint, standard carpet. This is the original during the build. All your outlets are going to be here. TV. Here's your bathroom. This is all standard during the time of the build. And here's your 3/4. I don't know if you guys can see that. Here we go. It is a little bit dark. This is not going to be that long of a video, so I do apologize. However, we like to show you everything that's available, and I think this is just great, just due to the fact that I want you guys to see what's all out there, right? You may think that this is very pricey, and I understand that. But also, we know when it comes to real estate, they're dirt. You're paying for location. So here's the primary. This one's 14 by 13. Carpet, baseboards, blinds. Everything's all pretty much just stock and standard. I believe this would be a good rental. HOAs here are going to run $86 a month. You got the Korean countertops. Here's your toilet. This must be your closet. Yep. A very unique layout. Now this home was built in the early 2000s. This is a 2006 home. There was a small developer out here that bought this dirt, and I think it was called Sprinkler Homes or something like that. I forget the name of the company. Small developer. In 2006, 2007, 2008, market crashed. Here's that bathroom that shares the main living. So they crashed. Once they crashed, homes here were like 400,000, believe it or not, or around the 350, 400. And that's what they're going for now. Next thing you know, what happened was they filed for bankruptcy. After they filed for bankruptcy, half of the community was not complete another developer came in, Jim Rose, which is the owner of Harmony Homes. You may have known, or you guys may know who he is. He sold that, I think it was like a $24 million home that he built. It was all over the paper. Here's your backyard. Not much for a backyard. This is your retaining wall. Street right here in the back, which is called Haven. Right across the street you have the mall. So you can't really do nothing back here. I wasn't gonna go back here, but you know what? Let's just go. Check out the garage. See what that's all about. Your washer and your dryer. Lights are not working. Need new bulbs. And here is your tandem garage. Well, not tandem, I'm sorry, single car garage. Oh, they got a circulation valve up there, which is really nice. And that's pretty much it for this tour. I'm curious to hear what your thoughts are. I'm going to just kind of go through the taxes and stuff like that. Give me just a second. You got vinyl flooring. So basically your property taxes, about $1,500 a year, which is a great price. Now I'm kind of curious to hear what your thoughts are. Would you actually live in a home like this because of the location, right? Earnest money deposit, if you are interested, is $5,000 a month. Oh, I'm sorry. Did I say $5,000 a month? Man, I'm not on it today, guys. Earnest money deposit is $5,000. It's not a month. It's a one-time deal. Don't know what's going on with me. Not on my A game. Oh, right there's the community pool too as well. Well, guys, that's pretty much it for this video home tour. I do appreciate each and every one of you. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Other than that, I'm Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day.
Did you like that video home tour? Are you a fan of this channel and you want to get plugged into the real estate market? Well, I got something for you. We have a new channel, real estate, vlogs, Las Vegas lifestyle, behind the scenes, financing, flipping, commercial properties, interviews, local businesses, Krulsawat 2.0. Check it out.